Imagine transforming your program management with just a glance. SafeAlign dashboards offer a revolutionary way to gain insights, making decision-making more efficient and effective. Let's explore how these dashboards can be your game changer. The layout is intuitive. Speed dials provide quick insights, while detailed graphs offer in-depth analysis. Mastering these tools is crucial for making informed decisions that drive success. Explore the 10 speed dials, each representing a different program. These dials offer a snapshot of overall scores, helping you quickly assess program health. Understanding the graph layout is key. Scores are arranged from highest at the top to lowest at the bottom, providing a clear visual hierarchy of program performance. Click on any speed dial to dive into detailed reports for each program. These reports reveal average scores and a comprehensive record of performance, offering deeper insights. Analyzing these reports allows you to understand trends and make data-driven decisions. It's your gateway to comprehensive program insights. Let's recap. SafeAlign dashboards offer speed dials for quick insights and detailed graphs for in-depth analysis. Mastering these tools enhances your program management skills. Start exploring your dashboards in SafeAlign. By doing so, you'll unlock your full potential and elevate your decision-making prowess. Call us on 1300 473 723 or contact us through our website, www.safealign.com.au.